Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. I'm Heather, and today we're making cinnamon raisin roll-ups.
Cinnamon raisin?
Everyone likes cinnamon raisins.
I love raisins. Heather, did you know that raisins used to be grapes?
I did. Do you like raisins?
Oh, I love raisins, and I love grapes because they are green, and green is my favorite color.
Well, it's my favorite color too.
I like your shirt, Heather, because it is green.
Thank you.
So, Heather, how do we make cinnamon raisin roll-ups?
It's really easy, and you probably have a lot of this stuff already.
Okay.
So what I do is I just take a cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
It's
okay.
good.
Uh-huh.
You mix the cream cheese with some shredded carrots.
Mix it with carrots?
Yeah, and you just get a carrot and just shred it or have your parents help you.
Carrots and raisins
Yes,
together?
it's so good.
Okay. So you mix those with the cream cheese, and what do you do after that?
I'm gonna add a little bit of raisins.
The raisins.
Your favorite,
Yes,
because you like grapes.
Yes, Heather, that's my favorite part.
Well, I'm glad. This is something everyone will like, and it's really easy. You can
Yeah.
take it in your lunch, or you can have it as a snack after school.
Oh, when you watch the Friday Zone.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And you just mix it up really easy.
Yeah.
And you know what's really great?
What?
You add a little bit of honey. Do you like honey?
Yeah, Heather, did you know that bees make honey?
They
Yeah.
do. This honey is really good.
Where did you get that honey from?
I got it from a honey farm right by my house.
Oh, the bees made that on the honey farm.
They did.
Yeah.
And the only thing I'm going to add after this is some cinnamon, just to give it a little bit of spice, just a little bit. If you don't like it, then don't add it.
Okay. If I don't like carrots, do I have to add carrots?
No. You know what's really good in here?
What?
Chopped up apples. Really
I love
good.
apples. Heather, my favorite apples are the green ones because they are green, and green is my favorite color.
As is mine.
Yeah.
So this is really easy. Put in
Yeah.
what you like. If you
Yeah.
don't like carrots, then don't use carrots.
Okay. Then when you are done mixing it, Heather, what do you do next?
Well, all you do is you get a small tortilla.
Like for tacos?
Like for tacos or for sandwiches.
Okay.
And you just put a little bit in the center.
Uh-huh.
Just a tiny bit.
Okay.
And you smooth it on there. Use as much as you want, but if you use too much, it won't roll up.
Oh, okay.
And you roll it up,
Uh-huh.
and you can eat it right away, or you can wrap it in plastic wrap and have it later.
Oh,
But I
for
can
a
never
snack.
wait.
Okay. Yeah. Can Heather?
Uh-huh.
Can I try some?
You can.
Okay. Hey,
You can.
put it in my
Are you
mouth.
ready?
Huh?
It's really good.
That is the best thing I ever ate.
I'm so glad you like it. And that's all there is to it.